subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a video.
So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will tell you how to apply the blur effect in your video. So let's get started. So guys, we need to put blur effect to hide our sensitive information while you are making your video. So the app we will use to apply blur effect in our video is Kinemaster. So I will open it. You can download it, and the link is in the description to download Kinemaster. So I am opening Kinemaster. Now I am adding my video which I want to add. Okay, so all. Then I think I should add my last video only, this one. So I will need some part only of the video, so I will split it. Okay, trim right of playhead, trim left of playhead, but you don't need to trim it. You just have to open your video. I was just trimming it to just show it to you, so it will be a small sample. So you have to open a video. I've opened mine. So I will decrease the volumes so it will not disturb us. So guys, this is a video. So for example, I have to blur my Free Fire ID or the other player's Free Fire ID. So this is an example. You can blur anything you want. So to blur, you have to go to layer here. Then you have to tap on effects. Then here is basic effects. So you have to tap on it. Then there are two types of blur. This is the first type of blur. So see, in this blur, it is not that much effective than the second one, but I will show you the second one also. So this is the blur. So see, no one can see the ID of any player now, or I can put it anywhere I want. But this is not that much effective. It is effective on letters but not on some things. So I will tell you the second type of blur which is more effective. I will delete this one, then again layer, effect, then basic effect, then mosaic. So this one is a very much effective blur effect. So here no one can see that what is happening, nothing, not even anything. So I will put it in all the sides. So see, we can't even see properly the whole video. So you can put it in the area where you want to blur, and then you have to export it. To export it, you have to click on this icon. Then you have to choose your quality. So I will choose this quality only. Okay, then so it is exporting. Now I will show you how it will look. So see, the blur here. Let me pause the video. So here is the blur on the left side where the IDs are shown, but it is not showing right now because it is blur. So guys, this was the outcome of the blur. So guys, I hope you liked this video and this was very helpful. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.